Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control on a GMC Yukon. Start by accelerating to the speed you want, then press the cruise button to set it. Use the plus and minus buttons to fine-tune speed in small increments. Always stay attentive, watch traffic, and be ready to cancel with the brake or cancel button. In hilly areas, expect speed variation and use manual control when conditions feel unsafe. Warm tip: set cruise control only when you can maintain steady throttle. After reaching your target speed, press SET and confirm the indicator on the dash. Adjust speed using the plus and minus buttons and monitor engine load on inclines. If you need to slow, tap the brake or press cancel, then resume with RES when safe. Keep hands on the wheel and scan mirrors frequently for changing traffic patterns. Cruise control is a convenience, not a replacement for attentive driving. Avoid using it in poor weather or where traction is uncertain, because the system cannot react like a human to hazards. In urban or heavy traffic conditions, stay in manual control to respond to sudden stops. Always be prepared to intervene with the brake or steering and treat cruise control as a helper, not an autopilot that removes your responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.